आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ लीडर्स जो अपने करियर के पीक पे हैं, जो बहुत अकम्प्लिश कर रहे हैं, बट दे फील मेस्ड अप. वो जो एक जोन होता है, आई वॉन्ट टू बी एंड आई सपोज टू बी, हम अपनी जिंदगी सपोज टू से जी रहे हैं. जब आप अपनी कोर वैल्यूज पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हो, यू कैन नॉट बी हैप्पी. द रिलेशनशिप्स, मैरिड रिलेशनशिप्स फेल बिकॉज एवरी डे दोज लिटिल रिजेक्शंस दैट हैपन, that kill the whole thing. When you create a shift in one area, it's like a ripple effect. You don't know how it's going to impact every other area of your life. It's not because anything outside changed, it's only them working on themselves and changing it.
Hi, Namaskar. I'm Juhi Jain. I am the host at this podcast called Golden Nuggets. Golden Nuggets, it's all about drawing inspiration. It's all about gaining perspectives. Perspectives bring clarity in life, and clarity thus brings joy. The joy that you feel after reading a good book is the similar joy that you're going to feel after a good conversation. Today's conversation is with Astha Tatia. शी इज़ अ हैप्पीनेस लीडरशिप कोच. सो आज हम इनकी जर्नी को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. वी विल अंडरस्टैंड द डीपर पार्ट्स. शी हैज़ स्पोकन वेरी कैंडिडली एंड वेरी ऑथेंटिकली अबाउट हर जर्नी, अबाउट हर सेल्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, and how the inner work in our lives is very essential for a good, happy and a joyful life. Hi Astha, welcome to the podcast Golden Nuggets. How are you feeling today?
I am very excited, very excited to be catching up with you after a long time. So happy to be here and looking forward to an exciting conversation.
So Astha, tell us a little about yourself.
I am enjoying life right now. I am learning to live for myself, right? And I'm exploring authenticity very deeply, you know, and doing things that, you know, where my heart belongs, which really excites me, where I feel, you know, oh, I'm called for this. So I think I'm learning to step into that zone where I'm connecting more with myself and discovering who the real Astha is. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. And yeah, that's where I am now. If you say about me, so there could be so many different angles. I am mother to a lovely daughter. I am wife of a husband who's I call him a humor king. You know, he's always cracking jokes, teasing me. I am daughter of two rock solid pillars. My mom and dad, you know, I can't imagine without them. They've just been by my side and they still continue to do that. I derive my strength from them. And I'm mother to an 8-month-old puppy as well. So that's a recent addition in our family. So that's there. So that's as far as the family goes, as my support system goes. I am an author and a happiness coach. So as a leadership happiness coach, I work with corporate leaders, business leaders, and help them in the area of workplace relationships. So I help them discover who they are, what their potential is, because they're all underplaying. So helping them express their higher potential. Now that is possible only when you have great relationships. Happiness is directly linked to the quality of your relationships. So that's where I support them, get them to be version 2.0 of themselves and be happy leaders. And in that process, I'm discovering more and more of me as well. So it's a parallel journey.
Very nice, Astha. But how kind of did you transition into the coaching space? And how did you become a leadership happiness coach? How and why?
You know, some of the people who I share my story with, I remember somebody saying, coaching chose you, you know, because I did my engineering MBA, and then just the way it is, you know, such a strong conditioning, I thought, okay, engineering kiya hai, MBA kiya hai, let's get into corporate. That was the whole mindset. Why am I even doing it? And got into corporate, Dubai, Mumbai, then Jaipur. But us entire process, I could sense that this is not where my heart belongs. पूरी जिंदगी ये तो नहीं कर सकती मैं. And then one fine day when it was too much to bear, I quit my corporate and there were no plans.
बट ऐसा क्या हुआ कि आपको पूरी ज़िंदगी आप सोचे कि मुझे ये करना नहीं है?
हाँ, तो दो चीज़ें थी। तो एक तो जो हमारी कंडीशनिंग इतनी स्ट्रांग होती है कि नहीं यही करना है बिकॉज दैट्स द वे टू बी, you know, that's how you get the acceptance of the society. Then you're in that league of, oh, what is she doing? She's an engineer, she's an MBA, and then she's in corporate and she's doing well. I was doing well, I was climbing up the ladder because I was hardworking, sincere, but that was never my best. Because when your heart doesn't belong somewhere, and heart doesn't belong kyunki I think it was there was no vision. I was doing it for the heck of it because I'm supposed to do that.
हाँ, बस
Right?
भेड़ चाल, you just
भेड़
follow.
चाल
हाँ,
है. and वो क्यों which I discovered later. उस वक्त तो आइडिया ही नहीं था, किसी ने सिखाया नहीं. I'll link it back when I talk about my coaching journey, but that's what I kept doing. ऐसा दिखना है, ये होना है, this is what people should say, conform to the norms, you know, people should say, wow, where is she? Or she's the you know, ultimately she's the CEO of that company, you know, that vision. वो लेकर के चल रही थी एंड मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. आई एम ग्लैड कि वो मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था एंड सम पॉइंट आई सेड नहीं आ रहा तो छोड़ो यार. सो वन डे आई जस्ट क्विट. आई सेड नो, फ्रॉम टुमारो आई एम नॉट कमिंग टू वर्क. Not the easiest thing. My mom, dad were not very happy. My dad,
सो आस्था, आप बोले आपने क्विट किया.
हाँ,
बट जैसे आपने क्विट किया, बैकग्राउंड में कुछ था आपके पास? डिड यू हैव अ
plan B?
Plan B?
No, nothing. Because that was the only plan. Corporate, उसी में आगे बढ़ना है, grow करना है.
तो डर नहीं लगा क्या? अब क्या?
डर लगा, बट वो पेन ऑफ स्टेइंग देयर एंड काइंड ऑफ डाइंग एवरी डे वाज मच बिगर. यू नो, आई कैन ऑलमोस्ट रिमेंबर वो हर दिन जो खुद से फाइट हो रही है ना, बिकॉज जो ये कह रहा है कि यू आर सपोज टू बी हियर, स्टिक हियर, डोंट गेट आउट ऑफ हियर, वो भी मेरा एक हिस्सा है. एंड द अदर पार्ट विच आई वुड से मे बी माई इनर चाइल्ड विद दैट लिटिल, इट्स सेइंग कि अरे मुझे निकालो यहाँ से यार, कहाँ फंस गई हूँ मैं आकर के.
बट मुझे एक चीज़ ये नहीं समझ में आता है, what is it with the corporate world, या what is it with the, मतलब most people that I hear, I have not worked in a corporate setup, so
Yeah.
I just want to understand what exactly is it जिससे लोग एकदम परेशान होके नहीं ये नहीं करना है. most लोग छोड़ते हैं कॉर्पोरेट को इसी फीलिंग के साथ या इसी दुख तकलीफ के साथ. सो ये
Right.
क्या होता है ऐसा क्या?
I feel you're right, absolutely right. A majority of leaders, corporate employees जो हैं, अगर वो आगे भी बढ़ रहे हैं, ग्रो भी कर रहे हैं, तो भी it's not the most exciting space, you know. And they keep jumping from one organization to the other to the third to fourth, or maybe they'll quit, whatever. I feel it's not because corporate में कोई problem है. Now that I look back, it's because we lack clarity. I lacked clarity, right? Maybe that was not who I was, right? I was never meant to be an engineer. I wasn't engineer at heart, you know, like core pe. I was an artist. So, but I never pursued that. So I was in the wrong place. Wrong cue? Because that's not who I was. So it's like asking an elephant to swim and then judging him, you know, ki how
correct.
good are you
This
swimming?
is
It's such a
so-
common this thing, no?
But this is so beautiful. Like,
Yeah.
I always thought there's something about that world, but you've opened a different perspective, you know. That
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it can have its own challenges. It does have. There's work needed, fine. But and maybe in corporate also, if had I picked up some other industry which was more suited or which was catering to my artistic vibe, need, maybe I would have been happier. I mean, maybe, I don't know, kisko pata. Or maybe I did my MBA in marketing. Now when I look back, क्यों किया था marketing में? That felt like the most wise thing to do, marketing. But I look at it, maybe अगर HR में किया होता, because I'm a coach now, I'm connecting with people and all, that would have given me a different perspective. Maybe that was more relevant, but I didn't have that awareness back then.
Back then.
So I feel it's not about corporate में आने के बाद, it's something which foundationally starts very early. You know, as children when we are studying, the exposure, lot of people have that clarity, नहीं मुझे तो हमेशा से पायलट बनना था, मुझे हमेशा से चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना था. Okay, great. But then there are a lot who've not explored so many things. पता ही नहीं है क्या है, कहाँ पर क्या चीज़ होने वाली है, and then we kind of take that one path.
वी आर जस्ट टोल्ड एंड उतनी कंडीशनिंग हुई भी रहती है,
हाँ.
इतना ही देखा हुआ होता है,
बिल्कुल
जितना वर्ल्ड व्यू होता है उतना ही अपन
उतना ही, उतनी नॉलेज है, उसके हिसाब से हम आगे
correct,
बढ़ जाते
हाँ.
हैं. आई एंड somehow I've come to make friends with that, क्योंकि मुझे अब दिखता है कि after I quit and I got into anchoring because I had nothing to do all of a sudden, इतना खाली टाइम है, and anchoring opportunities came in and I said अच्छा childhood passion है, हमेशा anchoring का बड़ा शौक रहा है, I have been on stage, तो करते हैं, फ्री टाइम है.
एंड यू वर कॉन्फिडेंट इन दैट स्पेस.
हाँ, आई थॉट अच्छा आता भी है तो क्यों नहीं, तो जस्ट फॉर द हेक ऑफ इट, लाइक राइट नाउ इट्स नॉट लाइक अ करियर. और फिर कुछ मीडिया अपॉर्चुनिटी भी आई, तो फिर ये कहा यार मास कॉम का तो डिग्री है नहीं, कैसे होगा. मैंने सेड कोई बात नहीं, कर लो. सो आई सेड ओके ग्रेट. सो आई वाज विद जी न्यूज़, विद ETV, फिर सेलिब्रिटी इंटरव्यू शो मिले, डिबेट शो मिला, करने लगे. बट एज दे से नो, दिस वाज समथिंग आई वाज पैशनेट अबाउट, एंड आई थॉट चलो क्यों ना इसको प्रोफेशन के तौर पे कंसिडर करते हैं. बिकॉज बट माइंड में क्या आता है, अच्छा तुमने इंजीनियरिंग और MBA इसलिए किया था ताकि तुम एक एंकर बन जाओ, यू नो, द कंडीशनिंग अगेन किक्स इन. बट देन आई
यू
सेड,
ऑलवेज डाउटिंग योरसेल्फ.
हाँ, देन यू आर लाइक अच्छा तो सोसाइटी क्या कहेगी. और फिर वो जो कुछ सेंटेंसेस आ जाते हैं ना कि अरे ये इसलिए तुमको इंजीनियरिंग करवाई थी, या तुमने इसलिए इंजीनियरिंग की, या इंजीनियर अच्छा लोग पूछेंगे तो क्या, हाँ इंजीनियरिंग किया, MBA किया, फिर क्या कर रहे हो, एंकर हैं हम तो. So in your mind, you already have a notion about an anchor, you already have a notion about a corporate president, you have a notion about somebody who's a painter.
करेक्ट.
We're judging all
We're
of
judging
this.
all
It
the
doesn't
time.
matter you're enjoying or not, but अरे वो president है किसी company में, you know. So that kind of a thing, kind of डर और doubt कहाँ से आता है? अगर कोई आपको ये बोले अरे कोई ना तू तो कर, एंकरिंग करना है, डांस करना है, सिंगिंग करना है, जो करना है कर, फिर कहाँ है वो डर?
डर नहीं है, खत्म
But the conditioning is because of that what
लोग
we've
क्या कहेंगे?
grown up with. लोग क्या कहेंगे, and you know my validation or my you know my success or how good I am comes from मैं ये कर रहा हूँ या नहीं कर रहा हूँ, you know, depends. So then it was about ठीक है करते हैं. पर फिर ही लगा कि क्यों ना इसको प्रोफेशन की तरह देखा जाए, मज़ा भी आ रहा है, हर दिन नया इवेंट, एक्साइटमेंट, मुझे पसंद भी है, मैं अच्छा भी करती हूँ, तो लेट्स टेक इट अप. सो आई सेड वाओ, आई हैव अराइव्ड, यहीं आना था मुझे, यही है. सो आई टुक इट अप एज अ प्रोफेशन एंड started anchoring, and I was doing some good events and media. But this is where I want to bring in, it doesn't matter what profession you are in, how passionate you are about it, you carry your baggage wherever you go. So while मैं बहुत passionate थी anchoring को लेकर, but I could manage to feel miserable even there. Because the fear, you were asking कि corporate में ऐसा क्या हुआ, my entire corporate journey of over a decade was marked with a lot of fear, डर. That was not my 100% expression. It was, should I walk up to my boss and say, कैसा लगेगा, नहीं वो ये सोचेंगे मैं कॉम्पिटेंट नहीं हूँ, नहीं ये तो मुझे सॉल्व करना चाहिए, मैं उनके पास क्यों जा रही हूँ, नहीं बोलते हैं. कॉलीग वो क्या सोच रहे हैं, आर दे ट्राइंग टू कम्पीट विद मी, आर दे विशिंग वेल फॉर मी, नो लेट मी मेंटेन अ डिस्टेंस मे बी. सिमिलरली माई सबॉर्डिनेट्स, क्या ये सोच रहे हैं कि मैं अच्छी बॉस हूँ या नहीं, कैसे बिहेव करूँ ताकि ये सोचेंगे कि मैं एक अच्छी बॉस हूँ. सो एंटीनाज वर ऑलवेज अप, क्या करूँ ताकि लोग कहें वाह आस्था अमेजिंग है, गजब है.
always proving
because my deep rooted belief was I'm not good enough. तो पूरी growing up years right from school my game was I'm not good enough, तो दुनिया को नहीं पता चलना चाहिए कि मैं good enough नहीं हूँ.
let me
prove
hide
myself, fit in everywhere, क्या करूँ कि लोग कहें वाह लड़की हो तो आस्था जैसी. and I played that game pretty hard. I want to be best everywhere, best daughter, best sister, best wife, best mother, best employee, best boss, best student. And I was the favorite of all teachers, good at academics, head girl of my school. हर जगह, you know, best daughter-in-law. They were like, wow, क्या लड़की है. But अंदर गदर मचा हुआ था. Mess है, क्योंकि आप you're just trying to be somebody who you're not. Right. So when I got into my anchoring also, while I was good at it, I was passionate, but it was not flowing freely. क्योंकि वहाँ भी मैं यही कर रही थी, क्या करूँ कि इट्स द बेस्ट. एंड व्हेन इट्स नॉट जस्ट फ्लोइंग फ्रीली तो मज़ा आ ही नहीं सकता.
Correct.
So while people would say, wow, you're an amazing anchor, but I know for a fact, वो मेरा 100% नहीं था. And there came a stage where I said, no, I think media is not for me. And that was when, I think almost 7 years back, 6.5, 7 years back, coaching happened to me for the first time. Where somebody said, you've considered life coaching? I said, life coaching कभी सुना ही नहीं है, होता क्या है? Motivational speaking सुना था. I thought वैसा ही कुछ होगा. And then when I saw, I realized ये तो काफ़ी deep है. This is transformational. I saw that transformation happening. And I said, हाँ देखते हैं, explore करते हैं. So I started attending sessions and first enrolled for a program 2017 December. First time I ever enrolled in a program. हालांकि मुझे लगा मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं काइंड ऑफ परफेक्ट हूँ, क्योंकि
मैं जानती हूँ.
काफ़ी मुखौटे लगे हुए थे, सारी बाउंड्रीज बनी हुई थी, यू नो, ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई फेल्ट नो, इट्स ऑल फाइन. What that program did, it didn't shift much, but it shook me. It touched a lot of things. ये देख पाना कि अरे ये क्या हो रहा है, आप मतलब somebody is trying to poke you and you are so reluctant कि नहीं नहीं मुझे देखना ही नहीं है उन हिस्सों को. आसान नहीं है.
नहीं है आसान.
बट ये एहसास हुआ कि हाँ इसको मुझे एक्सप्लोर करना है. और एंड दैट्स वेयर आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट. वी वर अ ग्रुप ऑफ कोचेस टुगेदर एंड आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ. मैंने कहा देखते हैं क्या खुलता है. एंड पैरेलली आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विथ पीपल ऑल्सो, फैसिलिटेटिंग जर्नीज विद देम. और उस प्रोसेस में ये एहसास हुआ कि ये जो फीलिंग है व्हेन पीपल क्रिएट समथिंग फॉर देमसेल्व्स, उनकी जर्नी में कुछ वो क्रिएट करते हैं, या तो जो फीलिंग थी ना वो किसी और चीज़ में कभी महसूस नहीं हुई थी. कॉर्पोरेट में कितने अकम्पलिशमेंट्स थे या एंकरिंग में, या ये फीलिंग तो कभी नहीं हुई. बड़ा फुलफिलिंग महसूस हुआ. सो आई सेड देखते हैं, पता नहीं. सो इट वाजंट लाइक एक दिन जब मुझे लगा कि नहीं मैं कोचिंग के लिए बनी हूँ. इट ग्रेजुअली ग्रू ऑन मी. धीरे धीरे महसूस हुआ कि हाँ शायद ये है. एंड दैट्स वेयर आई kind of started to get into it, did more and more programs, did more and more work on myself. और मेरे लिए आई थिंक वो हाई हो गया था. जैसे जैसे खुद के बैरियर्स दिखते गए, जैसे जैसे चीज़ें समझ आने लगी, ये एहसास हुआ कि ये सारा कुछ इसलिए हुआ था सो दैट आई कैन बी हियर. द मेस दैट आई वाज इन कॉर्पोरेट में, पूरी ज़िंदगी जो मैंने दिखावा, फसाड, ये सब जिया. देन आई केम इन टू एंकरिंग. एवरीथिंग वॉज काइंड ऑफ गेटिंग मी रेडी कि यहाँ आना था तुम्हें. तो आई रियलाइज अच्छा नाउ इट फॉल्स ऑल इन प्लेस कि ये सब क्यों था. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर द जर्नी हैज़ बीन. एंड आई थिंक कपल ऑफ ईयर्स बैक 2020 आई रियलाइज कि ओके नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू गो इंडिपेंडेंट, टू चेक मैं किसके साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ, क्या करना चाहती हूँ, व्हाट कॉल्स मी. एंड दैट्स वेयर योर क्वेश्चन ऑफ वाई लीडरशिप कोचिंग, वाई हैप्पीनेस कोचिंग. एंड so I realized कि मेरी corporate life which was a mess, I know a lot of leaders जो अपने career के peak पे हैं, जो बहुत accomplish कर रहे हैं, but they feel messed up. Their personal lives are messed, their health is messed. Yeah, maybe I want to help.
What are the common challenges these leaders face when creating happiness in the organization? So while working with these leaders, have you seen any typical common challenges that come across?
You know, so I'll just maybe take a minute to say happiness kya hai, you know. I mean,
correct.
So creating happiness in an organization is not a mechanical task. कि अच्छा चलो happiness create करनी है तो ये 1 2 3 4 चीज़ें कर लेते हैं, अगर ये missing है तो problem है. In my journey, when I say कि I felt happiness very profoundly in the last couple of years, what that meant for me was अंदर वो होता है ना एक सेल्यूलर लेवल पे आपको लगता है खुशी, मतलब वाओ आई फील हैप्पी, दिस इज़ मी वाली जो फीलिंग आती है, यस वो महसूस हुई जब मुझे. तो आप डिस्टिंग्विश कर पाते हो कि अच्छा वो जो था वो अलग था, क्योंकि उसके पहले मेरे लिए ऑक्सीजन वही थी. देयर वाज नो अदर वे ऑफ बीइंग हैप्पी, दिस इज हैप्पीनेस. जब कुछ और दिखता है, समझ आता है, महसूस होता है, तो आपको लगता है अच्छा वो कुछ अलग था, ये कुछ अलग है. I feel a lot of the leaders, a lot of us in fact, leader or no leader, हम लोग उसी जोन में रह रहे हैं where we are trying to be somebody where we think we are supposed to be. वो जो एक जोन होता है I want to be, and I'm supposed to be. हम अपनी ज़िंदगी supposed to से जी रहे हैं.
हाँ.
And a lot of leaders are also doing that. मेरी responsibility है, I can't take a break, I don't feel like doing it, but I can't quit. I'm supposed to be this, I'm supposed to speak like this, dress like this. There are so many supposed to's. Now मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ वो गलत हैं या गलत और सही का प्रश्न ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
पर उस प्रोसेस में लाइक फॉर मी इंजीनियरिंग दिस इट वाज ऑल अ मैकेनिकल थिंग. ये होना है, इसके बाद ये तो होना ही है, इसके बाद ये तो होना ही है. सेम वे फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ लीडर्स दिस इज इट बिकम्स लाइक अ मैकेनिकल प्रोसेस. यहाँ हूँ, फिर मैं अगली स्टेज पे पहुँचा, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये एग्जाम क्लियर करना है, ये क्लियर किया तो मैं CFO के लिए एलिजिबल हूँ, तो फिर ये होगा. इन दैट प्रोसेस देयर वाई इज मिसिंग. You know, why do I want to do what I want to do? You asked me why in the beginning. मैं ये करना भी क्यों चाहता हूँ, करना चाहता हूँ या नहीं चाहता हूँ. And that is where when it is all mechanical, तो फिर मेरा idea of happiness often gets linked to milestones, often gets linked to अगर ये हो गया तो बढ़िया है, ये हमने अचीव कर लिया तो अच्छा है, ये नहीं हुआ तो I can't be happy. You know, या मैंने बिजनेस में थोड़ा एक्सपैंड किया पर वो तो वैसा वर्क ही नहीं कर रहा है, अब मैं क्या करूँ, मैं खुश कैसे हो सकता हूँ. आई वाज जस्ट टॉकिंग टू अ लीडर couple of days back.
One second, Astha. By leader, do you mean business owners? Which leaders are you talking
Any
about?
leader, I would say. Okay, so if अगर sector wise हमें कहना है, so it could be a corporate leader, it could be a business leader, it could be anybody.
And I would say that a leader is anybody who's even running a team of 2 people or 3 people.
Yes.
Or even we as
Homemaker.
homemakers also.
A homemaker is also a leader. Anybody who's impacting people in some way or the other is a leader.
So each leader needs to be happy then.
Because your energy flows to your people.
Correct.
So I say I want to create a happy team, happy organization. मुझे happiness चाहिए, पर मेरी energy क्या है? No, I'm supposed to do this. It cannot be an authentic energy flowing there.
So आस्था, इससे ना मुझे एक बहुत सुंदर बात ध्यान आ रही है. आपने कुछ रियलाइज किया अपने बारे में, फिर उस पर आपने इनर वर्क किया, है ना. इनर वर्क किया तो आपको पता चला मैं तो ऑथेंटिक थी नहीं इतने साल से. ऑथेंटिक नहीं थे तो आप कुछ और प्रेजेंट करते थे अपने बारे में, है ना. व्हाट आई एम ड्राइविंग टू इज, यू नो, हाउ वल्नरेबल आर वी एज इंडिविजुअल्स.
Yeah.
I think we all need to be vulnerable because that is the space जहाँ अपना authentic self बाहर आता है. And हम सब इसी जद्दोजहद में फंसे हुए हैं कि हमको कुछ और दिखाना है, larger than world, and किसी और को पड़ी ही नहीं है. देखा जाए तो किसी और को पड़ी नहीं, अपना ही जद्दोजहद चल रहा होता है. And leaders को, मतलब आपका क्या टेक है? लीडर्स को बस ये सोचना चाहिए कि मैं अपना बेस्ट एफर्ट डालूं, and जो आउटकम होगा वो देखा जाएगा. वी शुड, as like even I have had this inner journey and where I felt that I can only do my best. That's all that I can do.
Yeah.
And the result then has to, then that has then made me more settled and more happier as a person. Are you working in that space as well? You know, authenticity space, and how every action matters more than the result. So
interesting that you're asking this. You know, I was just, until yesterday, so last couple of days, you know, in a cohort, we've been doing our brand audit. And उसमें ये था कि what are my top 3 core values, you know, for my business. And it just gave me an opportunity to pause. I have my values defined, I have my vision, mission, personally also for me. तो मैं लिख रही थी तो बड़ा ये हो रहा था, ये है, ये है, ये है. But I realized authenticity, integrity and accountability, you know, and love is the underlying thing for me in everything that I do, love. But authenticity, integrity और accountability, ये चीज़ें मेरे लिए एकदम, you know, बाहर आई in terms of my communication, my business, the work that I do with people, everywhere. Because I feel जब हम authentic नहीं हो रहे, authentic का simple meaning है जो मैं हूँ मैं वो हूँ, है ना. उसको मैं लीपा पोती नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं छुपा नहीं रही हूँ, ये है. सो और वो फेक नहीं किया जा सकता. वो तब आता है when I'm accepting myself for who I am, and I'm okay. अच्छा ये है कोई
एक
बात
एग्जांपल दो ना authenticity.
हाँ. So let's say one of the big areas that I have been working on is my relation with my husband. Okay, now ये I can tell you 99% of the 99 nahi, I would say 100% of the couples need to be very intentional when it comes to the husband wife relation.
I agree.
है ना? इस पे बात नहीं होती है. People don't talk about this, you know, and they say, why even talk about it everywhere? For me also, okay, we've married, we're supposed to be like this, what's there is there between us, and that's what I lived with. But I realized in that process, we were connected, we were there with each other, but there were big things which were pulling me down. Let me talk about myself. His version is his version. But there were things which were pulling me down. But I was living in the supposed to. Remember, I have to be the best. So the best daughter-in-law, need to be really good. तो बोलना नहीं है ना इनके बारे में, बात क्यों करना है and all. But there were things which were disturbing me. I'm sure there were things that were disturbing him. Because over time, हम अपने beliefs में इतने घिरे हुए होते हैं, हमारे जो ट्रॉमाज हैं, हमारी जो अपब्रिंगिंग रही है, हम उनमें इतने घिरे हुए होते हैं, और वो इंटरेस्टिंगली इस रिलेशन में ही निकलता है सब कुछ पार्टनर के साथ. वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड एंड देयर इज नथिंग एल्स, दैट्स जस्ट द प्रोजेक्शंस दैट वी आर डूइंग, एंड दैट वाज हैपनिंग नॉट ईजी फॉर आइदर ऑफ अस, यू नो. द थिंग इज एवरीवेयर, लीडर्स इन कॉर्पोरेट, लीडर्स इन द पर्सनल लाइफ, एवरीवेयर द बिग मिस इज कम्युनिकेशन, राइट? एंड बाय कम्युनिकेशन आई डोंट मीन कि कुछ बोल रहे हो या नहीं. इट कुड बी बोल रहे हो बट क्या बोल रहे हो पता नहीं है, या बोल ही नहीं रहे हो, या हम उसके बारे में बात ही नहीं कर रहे. वी डोंट वांट टू हैव द डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशंस.
Correct.
And so that's exactly how we were also living.
We don't want to have it. We don't know how to have it. We don't know how to address it. और
करेक्ट. पर करना नहीं भी चाहते हैं जूही कई जगहों पे, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी द मोस्ट प्लेजेंट वन. इट्स ईजियर टू पुश इट अवे. छोड़ो ना, शांति तो बनी रहेगी. अभी ये नहीं बोलती हूँ यार, कम से कम चिक चिक तो नहीं होगी. आई मीन आई हैव डन दैट, आई हैव डन दैट. सो I'd be like, अरे ये अभी इनको बोला भी है, फिर इनका चिक चिक शुरू हो जाएगा, लेट मी नॉट स्पीक ओनली, अवॉइड तो हुआ. What that starts to do is the gap becomes broader everywhere. So while I'm talking husband wife, me and my husband, but it's exactly what happens in the corporate also. Day one जब आपके लिए कोई teammate आता है, you don't have the grudges that are there. आप एक अच्छा सा, you're looking forward to that working together and it's all equilibrium. फिर क्या होता है जो disturb कर देता है उसको. तो so I feel when those things are not spoken about, which means आप अपनी नीड्स को कहीं धकेल रहे हो. आपको जो चाहिए वो आप बता नहीं रहे हो, सामने वाले को जो चाहिए वो आप सुन नहीं रहे हो. you've never been taught, किसी ने बताया ही नहीं. और फिर एक आइडिया होता है नहीं ऐसे ही होता है मैरिजेस में, ठीक है, कम से कम. then people will say on top of it, no, fundamentally आप दोनों बहुत बढ़िया हो, अच्छा है कनेक्ट. अब ये छोटी मोटी चीज़ें तो चलती रहती है ना.
नहीं, एंड देन लोग भी बहुत लूज कमेंट्स भी कई बार कर देते हैं जो
and they have no idea.
They have no idea. So
but that's their idea of what a married life should be. They may be in pain as well. They don't have any ill intention.
Comments, there are loose jokes around marriage. I don't really like, you know, the thing around, because it's such a sacred, it's such a beautiful relationship and it needs to be nurtured.
Yeah.
You missed the point completely. Actually.
I feel the more than the people outside, वो people का impact क्यों होता है? Because यहाँ पर stability नहीं है, यहाँ पर foundation strong नहीं है. अदरवाइज जो भी आ रहा है वो मुझे हिला कैसे पाएगा?
बिल्कुल नहीं हिला पाएगा,
है ना. तो आई रियलाइज्ड व्हेन इट रीच्ड अ स्टेज, एंड आई एम ग्लैड बिकॉज ऑफ द वर्क दैट आई हैव बीन डूइंग ऑन माई सेल्फ, देयर रीच्ड अ स्टेज, जैसे जॉब में था अभी और नहीं हो रहा है, इट केम टू अ पॉइंट इन माई मैरिज वेयर आई सेड ये ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा. एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट एट दैट स्टेज आई वॉज ओके टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ मैं कैसी दिख रही हूँ और मुझे ये करना चाहिए या नहीं, टू ये नहीं हो रहा है यार अब, सो इट्स ओके. सो टू अ स्टेज वेयर whether we'll be together or not is secondary, but what is important is to speak, like to talk about it, to say that sorry this doesn't work for me, क्योंकि उसके पहले I was doing what I wanted to do. It wasn't that मैं कोई बहुत ही ऐसे environment में हूँ. I was doing what I wanted to do, but I was putting away a lot of things which mattered a lot, which were core to my existence. जो मेरी कोर वैल्यूज़ है. और जब आप अपनी कोर वैल्यूज़ पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करते हो, यू कैन नॉट बी हैप्पी बिकॉज दे आर पार्ट ऑफ योर एग्जिस्टेंस. अ लॉट ऑफ अस, अ लॉट ऑफ लीडर्स, यू नो, इन माई प्रोग्राम्स, जब हम कोर वैल्यूज़ पे बात करते हैं, लॉट ऑफ देम हैव नो आइडिया उनकी कोर वैल्यूज़ क्या है, उनके लिए मैटर क्या करता है. देन व्हेन दे सी हाँ ये मेरी कोर वैल्यू है और ये तो रोज कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रही है. आई एम नॉट होल्डिंग दीज strong enough. And that's why they see, that's why I'm so disempowered. So when I saw that, I said it can't happen. And I think authenticity is where I started to speak about it, is where I said, tomorrow, whether we are there together or not, it doesn't matter. That fear was somewhere gone, that this is what I want and this is non-negotiable, right? I don't want you to suffer, but I want us to have those difficult conversations. This is the boundary, this will not work, this will work. And then over time, even today, we are working on that relationship. And even today we discover those things where nahi ho raha hai ye. It's like you step into that authentic zone, you figure out, we sat down, we figured out what are our love languages. How would I want to be loved? How do you want to be loved? Right? One of the big things I learned from other coaches was micro rejections. The relationships, married relationships fail not because love nahi hai ya ye nahi hai. It's because every day those little rejections that happen, that kill the whole thing, So which means I'm talking to you and you're just looking at your phone. मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ and you're suddenly, एक मिनट, हाँ वो क्या हुआ उसका, अच्छा हाँ क्या बोल रही थी, or it's important for me to maybe sit with you for 5 minutes and you're like, aaj nahi ho payega, I mean I have to take, those little rejections. And those, so we sat down and we went through that whole exercise and we realized, where all are we rejecting each other? What am I feeling? And there's no justification for that. This is how I'm feeling, period. This is how you're feeling, period. To take it for what it is very difficult. The urge to justify, defend ourselves. So I think, and whether both the partners are willing to do it at the same level is a big thing, which applies even in the corporate world or the business world. So I think,
is everybody okay to do the inner work and the real work that is required to be done?
Yeah. And for me, that's the only thing. One thing that I've learned in marriage is there's no perfect partner. You can keep fantasizing, अरे ये क्या हो गया, शायद कुछ और better हो सकता था, कुछ somebody else. No, we are all going to come with our baggages. The only thing which I now feel is, as long as both of us are willing to work. Because if one is not willing to work, then there's a problem. Then there's a problem to make it work.
Correct.
But other than that, that's what it is. When it comes to corporate, right, that same authenticity, the vulnerability that you were talking about is where the power lies, but is where people fall weak. They will be like, no. How can I say this in front of my people? I've known leaders who would say, no, Astha, can you tell me a way where I can present it, but I don't want to show this side of me. So there was a leadership team that we were working with recently. And one of the big challenges that most of these leaders had, that the MD, when he says something or he creates something, even if we're not resonating, there's no way we can kind of say a no or interrupt or say कि ऐसे नहीं, इसको ऐसा कर ले या वक्त चाहिए.
Realizing that business decision might not be good for the business, they still cannot say it.
They still cannot, and that's got nothing to do with the boss. You need to fundamentally understand it's not about the other person. The other person is actually hired you so that you speak up.
Correct.
Now I may say कि नहीं जूही, आप accept नहीं करते हो, आप मुझे नहीं सुनते हो, इसलिए मैं नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ. Wow, I would say, can I take charge? I can go on blaming my husband all my life. He doesn't listen, he's selfish, he does chick-chick. उस process में मेरा behavior बदल गया. But the day I said, I need to stand up for me, and I spoke, two things will happen. Either he will listen or he'll move away, he'll not listen. तो either alignment हो जाएगा या फिर आप अलग रास्ते चले जाओ.
It's worth taking the chance.
But either way it is. Otherwise, you're never going to be at your 100% potential or your higher potential.
Correct.
And that's where your happiness vanishes. You're being inauthentic, you're just trying to be somebody, and you're not being vulnerable. So when you say vulnerability, authenticity, all of these things, I see these are very strong pillars to creating that relation. When you can walk up to your team and say, you know what, ye project hai, I'm feeling a little scared and I need support from all of you. Imagine how your team is going to feel. here's my boss जो चल कर आ रहे हैं और बता रहे हैं, उन्हें ऐसा फील हो रहा है, and he trusts us to say this in front of us and say कि मुझे तुम्हारी हेल्प की ज़रूरत है.
Correct.
But the conditioning, I would say nobody is ill-intentioned by and large. People have no idea. They have no access. And it's heartening as well as I would say sad. दोनों चीज़ें आती है. Sad इसलिए कि अभी भी so many big organizations, I see they're growing by leaps and bounds and targets हैं, IPO लाना है, ये करना है, वो. But the basic human connection is missing. You know, and while they bring in coaching into हाँ हमारे यहाँ coaching है, हमारे leaders के लिए coaches हैं. When I talk to those leaders, some of these leaders, let's say, come in outside of the organization and they say, okay, I want to go for a one-on-one coaching asta. And when I ask them, what brings you here? They say, I have a good coach there. They're very well qualified, nice coaches, but they say, मैं कितना open up हो सकता हूँ मुझे नहीं पता वहाँ पर, because that's given to me by my company. How much can I say? Can I talk about my personal life there? Maybe not. I'm not comfortable.
They don't feel safe.
They don't feel safe. So I feel somewhere, a lot of leaders, HR leaders that I talk to, they say we hire the best people, we have these interventions, पर उसका impact नज़र नहीं आ रहा. तो कहीं पर सुपरफिशियलिटी जो है ना चीज़ों में, कि ये करना है, हाँ हमने एक ट्रेनिंग कर दी, अरे हमने लंदन स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस से ये किया.
नहीं, वो ठीक है, लेकिन फिर कंपनीज तो इसी तरह से करेंगे. What other method can they introduce where they feel safe? The leaders,
The people feel safe.
the people feel
Participants,
safe. Yeah,
हाँ.
participants feel
हाँ.
safe to share
हाँ.
their personal side or whatever with the coach, understanding that it's totally confidential and
Yeah.
there'll be nothing to do with the management.
So there's no one right answer to this,
correct.
Juhi. I'm also discovering as I'm working in the B2B space, और मैं organizations में जब ये चीज़ देखती हूँ तो एक चीज़ जो मुझे दिखती है वो ये है कि जब जो ग्रुप है, जो कोहॉर्ट है, वो आके वहाँ बैठता है तो सब एक ही लेवल पर अलाइंड नहीं होते हैं उस प्रोग्राम के लिए, उस चीज़ के लिए. HR को लगा कि आपको ये करना चाहिए, इसका फ़ायदा होगा, डिस्कशन हुआ, ठीक है. तो वन थिंग आई फील विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज़ कि जो स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, जो लेट्स से इफ इट्स द लीडरशिप टीम, देन मे बी द MD of the organization, or if it is one, let's say sales team है, तो maybe the sales head or the business unit head है, there has to be a buy-in there has to be a discussion with that person, which happens, and maybe then a context setting with these participants, right? Whether it happens one-on-one, whether it happens in a group, but a context setting where they are aligned कि मैं जो create करना चाहता हूँ अपनी journey में, और organization जो चाह रही है, ये alignment बैठ रहा है, यहाँ पर हम आकर मिल रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम हियर फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एजेंडा ओनली. क्योंकि जब माइंड में ये होता है ना कि ठीक है ये ट्रेनिंग करनी है क्योंकि बोला गया है, ठीक है आके बैठ जाओ, तो फिर उसी तरह का सुपरफिशियल काम होता है, उसी तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं. व्हाट आई एम रियलाइजिंग इज़ ट्रेनिंग और कोचिंग दो बहुत अलग चीज़ें हैं. कोचिंग इज़ पिकिंग अप इन इंडिया, इट्स मोर पीपल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इट इज़. स्टिल मैं ये देखती हूँ बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको अभी भी नहीं पता कोचिंग क्या है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लीडर्स इन दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. द आइडिया इज ट्रेनिंग. अच्छा क्या होगा, तो इतने समय में इनको ये चीज़ बदल जाएगी ना. सो वी आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वी आर डीलिंग विद ह्यूमन बींग्स. ट्रेनिंग हो सकती है, बट ट्रेनिंग के बाद एक्शन जब तक नहीं है, एंड एक्शन लॉन्ग इनफ, implementation long enough so that the habits change, right? Then there is going to be a shift. But for that, you need to get down to the source of it. You can't just operate at the level of action. Okay, जूही आप क्या है, आप खुलकर बात नहीं करती हैं, so you need to have better communication. Okay, great. Get a communication trainer
It's
for
very
Juhi.
superficial. हाँ.
Now for Juhi, the barriers that are there deep down, जब तक वो address नहीं होंगे, आप दे दो कितना भी skill set देना है Juhi को. Get the best trainers. So one, that shift from okay training की अपनी importance है, skill set की अपनी importance है. I'm not undermining that. But उसके साथ you need the hardware. You need the deep rooted जो चीज़ें रोक रही हैं मुझे उस skill को use करने के लिए, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. वो barriers देखना ज़रूरी है. And in my experience, when I connect with these participants, if there are let's say 10 people in the group and we're working in the group, and I think a large role also is of the coach to create that safe space, to create that love in that space where people feel okay, yes, let's do that. but it needs time. So I think organizations need to understand and need to be willing to invest time, because it's a partnership. It's not you, the organization, versus the coach. It's coach and organization standing together to create what we want to create. तो पार्टनरशिप करके अच्छा क्या वर्क नहीं कर रहा, अच्छा अभी ये कर रहा है, आई थिंक इसको ऐसे बेटर करते हैं, आई थिंक ये हमने किया अभी, बट लेट्स मे बी गो गेट डाउन टू 5 people, और आई थिंक लेट्स वर्क one on one with this be willing to spend that energy, that effort for people, because
And
they need time.
experiment.
Yeah,
And you have to experiment.
because it's not about अच्छा फिर क्या आपको पता नहीं है ये वर्क करेगा ही नहीं, मुझे पता है, but I cannot guarantee Juhi it's going to work the same way for you as it works for maybe somebody else.
Correct.
And you're going to pop up in the same time that the other person did.
Correct.
We're all so different.
We are also different.
Are you willing to invest that kind of energy, time, resources into that person?
करेक्ट. वन मोर थिंग, जैसे जब अपन कोचिंग की बात करते हैं, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट रिसेप्टिविटी एंड कोचेबिलिटी ऑफ द पर्सन. सो आपके एक्सपीरियंस में मतलब आउट ऑफ 10 जस्ट अ नंबर, कितने लीडर्स एक्चुअली रेडी होते हैं टू बी कोच्ड एंड आर रिसेप्टिव, या डू दे फील अरे आई नो इट ऑल, ये तो ठीक है कर लेंगे, कैजुअली ले लेते हैं?
I don't know if I'd really be in a position to give a number वहाँ पर मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगी कि as the society evolves, you know, कुछ समय पहले तक ये एक टैबू होता था, मुझे क्या ज़रूरत है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या मेरे साथ में. जैसे जैसे इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं, अगर आप US इकोनॉमी आज देखोगे तो वहाँ पर कोचिंग इज़ द थिंग, एवरीबडी इज़ गोइंग, न्यूरो साइंस इट्स द थिंग, एंड राइट, बट इन इंडिया इट्स ग्रोइंग नाउ विथ इतनी अलग अलग मोडालिटीज़ आ गई हैं, इतनी अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें हैं, एंड दैट इज़ बिकॉज वो क्यों आ रही हैं, क्यों ग्रो कर रही है, बिकॉज लोग खुल रहे हैं, लोग ओपन हो रहे हैं, तो लोग समझ रहे हैं ज़्यादातर. अगर आप देखेंगे अभी यंगस्टर्स जो स्पेशली आपकी जेन ज़ी है, दे आर so focused on their well-being. They are so aware of this one thing कि हाँ मैं कैसा महसूस कर रहा हूँ, how am I feeling, how am I being. तो जैसे ये चीज़ की अवेयरनेस बढ़ रही है, लोग खुल रहे हैं, they are willing to open up and they are willing to say normalize seeking help, कि अच्छा ठीक है, अगर मुझे इसमें सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, तो चलो हेल्प लेते हैं, है ना. There's still a long way to go. I think in the coming 10 years, 20 years, it's going to be massive. This is the industry and it's going to grow massively, coaching industry per se. तो I feel दो तरह की, जो मैं भी बोल भी रही थी, जब आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में जाकर के टीम्स के साथ काम करते हो तो वहाँ पॉइंट ये नहीं है कि वो लोग काम नहीं करना चाहते, बट वो इतने सारे बैगेजेस होते हैं ना, कौन सुन रहा है, किसको पता है. आई नो जब 1-on-1 बात होती है कंपनीज में भी, तो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दे आस्क मी, सम ऑफ देम, कि ये बात हमारे बीच में ही रहने वाली है ना. तो of course it's there कि my MD is there, you know, if you're putting a camera to record, then I need to be guarded कि मैं क्या बोलूँ नहीं बोलूँ. ये बहुत inner most चीज़ें हैं आपकी, और हमारा fear इतना ओवर पावर कर लेता है. तो I would say people are opening up, बट जो लोग खुद से चला कर के आते हैं, कई बार ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो बोलते हैं हाँ मुझे ज़रूरत है, let me go, they hire a coach for themselves, चाहे वो 1-on-1 सेटअप है, ग्रुप सेटअप है, उसमें वो आते हैं. दे कम विद दैट माइंडसेट कि मुझे सपोर्ट चाहिए, तो मतलब मैं एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए ओपन हूँ, मैं सरेंडर करने के लिए भी तैयार हूँ, मुझे सारी चीज़ें नहीं पता, कुछ आएगा वो मेरे लिए ईजी होगा नहीं होगा, एंड देन फिर कोच का रोल आता है टू सेट दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि क्या ज़रूरी है क्या नहीं है, यू नो, दैट सरेंडर, द ग्राउंड रूल्स, ऑल ऑफ दैट. और वो खाली रूल्स नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ टीचर स्टूडेंट रिलेशन, इट्स अ पार्टनरशिप. You know, the coach and the coachee is a partnership. Nobody is higher than the other. तो जब तक वो connect नहीं आता है, जब तक वो trust की, with that faith you enter in that relationship, जहाँ जहाँ वो faith के साथ लोग enter हुए हैं, that it's okay, I'm ready to surrender,
उनमें transformation आया होगा.
massive. Patience जिनमें है, जिनके लिए ये है कि हाँ ठीक है,
हमें inner work करना है.
हाँ inner work करना है, I'm ready. So I still have people who sit with me for the clarity call, and their thing is okay, my goal is this, right, मैं यहाँ पहुँचना चाहता हूँ, और मैं यहाँ पहुँच जाऊँगा ना, तो आप मुझे बताओगे ना कि यहाँ कैसे पहुँचना है. And that's where, because there's a very fine line when we are talking about a mentoring, about counseling, about coaching, about training. So many people now also tell me, oh, she's a motivational speaker. And then I have to tell them, no, I'm not a motivational speaker.
There's a difference.
तो knowledge भी नहीं है, idea भी नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे ये भी नहीं पता मुझे चाहिए क्या.
क्या?
हाँ, मुझे ये ट्रेनिंग क्यों हो रही है? अच्छा, फिर ये तो आप ये इनर ये सब क्या बात कर रहे हो, क्यों कर लीडर्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, यू नो. सो आई फील देयर इज मोर अवेयरनेस हैपनिंग. देयर स्टिल अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो, बट एडुकेट करने की नीड बहुत ज़्यादा है दैट इट्स ओके टू गो आउट एंड गेट हेल्प.
करेक्ट.
अगर आप अपनी जर्नी रियली एंजॉय करना चाहते हो, आप कर सकते हो. लीडर्स कम, लॉट ऑफ लीडर्स से आस्था गुड, आप वर्क प्लेस रिलेशन की बात कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के, पर ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. वर्क प्लेस रिलेशन सुपरफिशियल ही होंगे, नहीं हो सकते. दैट्स सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ यू आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू. इमेजिन हाउ योर रिलेशंस आर गोइंग टू बी. So people need that thing, and which is happening. I feel there's more openness, more vulnerability, but it's like a wave, you know. When the and that's where I feel the work has to happen at the top leadership first. क्योंकि जब वहाँ होगा तो two things can happen, that culture flows down, and one, they can also support their teams. They can act as coaches.
It needs to come from the top, and it needs to.
Yes.
Correct.
Coaching style of leadership, which we talk about,
Correct.
is what it is. You know, it's no more about that authoritative, do this, do that.
Are you following all of these people? Simon Sinek, he talks a lot about leadership.
Yeah.
Then there is Adam Grant. He says that excellence in leadership comes through confidence and humility. So they need to be balanced out.
Yeah. Again, a very fine line, confidence and humility, but non-negotiable.
Non-negotiable.
Yeah.
So Astha, now I have about 4 to 5 quick questions, rapid fire, you know, that would let us know you a little more better.
I'm a little nervous now.
Oh God. What's the one piece of advice you would give to aspiring leaders?
I would say accept yourself for who you are while working on yourself, always willing to get better, but accept yourself for who you are and not just conform to norms, because that's where your excellence lies.
Describe your coaching style in one word.
Love and acceptance.
Okay. What's the most rewarding part of your job?
Work on myself consistently. That's,
You are becoming a better version.
100%.
A book that has profoundly influenced your coaching philosophy.
The kind of books that I read are lot of self-development, things around that. There's so many books and all of them have been wonderful. The recent ones that I've read, one is The Courage to be Disliked, which has literally blown my mind and has impacted me on a personal level, how we are living our lives, and, you know, this whole urge to be recognized, and, you know, that's what everybody is running after. So The Courage to be Disliked. And then there's The Gentle Art of Blessing also, which is phenomenal.
So one habit that has significantly contributed to your success.
Consistency in anything I do. You may be excellent, you may be highly skilled, you may be talented. If you're not consistent, which means you need to do one small thing over and over again and again, long enough, doesn't work. So consistency, I would say, has transformed my
Okay.
life.
Thank you, Astha. Was
Pleasure.
it that
No,
scary?
it was nice. I think when it's all about this is who I am, authentic, it gets so easier,
Easy,
you know. It's like
Correct.
you spare yourself the fear and
Fear,
horror of it all.
Correct. So, Astha, now we are at the last part of our podcast. I call it the golden nuggets of, you know, if you could give me one episode of, you know, your inspiration and a golden nugget of perspective that kind of influenced or, you know, evolved you into becoming a better person. Any perspective that
Yeah.
kind of shaped you.
I would say I was hugely claustrophobic. Okay, and I've spoken about this many a time. For me, this was almost miraculous, you know. And I'll share why I'm sharing this also. So very quickly, claustrophobic, which means this phobia of closed spaces, बंद जगहों से घुटन होना, which is all here, because actually कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. But इतना था कि I could not sit on the window seat of an aircraft or in the middle of a back seat of a car. गाड़ी के I had to sit on the window seat. और मे बी एलिवेटर के अंदर जाना है तो अगर भरी हुई है एलिवेटर, आई कांट स्टेप इनटू इट, यू नो. सो सम थिंग्स लाइक दीज, यू नो. तो फॉर मी दैट वाज उस लेवल तक. इफ आई एम चेंजिंग एंड आई एम वेयरिंग सम t-shirt or something and it just gets stuck कहीं यहाँ पे, oh I'm gone, I'm doomed, you know. तो इस लेवल तक था वो फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड दैट स्लोली, पहले तो इम्पैक्ट माइल्ड होता है और हमारे यहाँ पर आदत है, अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. It got so severe that all of this happened, and so much so that on an everyday basis I started to have near death experiences. I never intended to work on it because ये medical problem था मेरे हिसाब से. तो I went to a psychiatrist with my dad. Psychiatrist ने बोला आपको ये pills लेनी होंगी और आप फ्लाइट में जाते हो तो जैसे 15 मिनट पहले आप ये ले लो and then you'll be fine. So I'm glad I never took the pill. I don't know why. I was all set. पर वो बेसिकली मेरे नर्वस सिस्टम को रिलैक्स करने के लिए पिल्स थी या जो भी थी. सो दैट वाज नॉट द बेस्ट वे, बट ठीक है, आई नेवर टुक दोज. बट व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग विद माय कोच, ये एजेंडा नहीं था मेरी कोचिंग का, बट आई while working through other things, it's in coaching we say when you create a shift in one area, it's like a ripple effect. You don't know how it's going to impact every other area of your life.
Beautiful.
Right? So this impacted this area. I don't know how, but so much so that today twice I've done scuba diving, okay, which was unimaginable in this lifetime. I went to Shirdi, Vaishno Devi with my husband, and standing
गुफा में.
Huh?
Gufa
mein. And standing outside Gufa, I said, no, Abhishek, I can't enter. Matlab, he was also very clear, no way. He said, let's see. I not only went अंदर गुफा में, वो वहाँ दर्शन किए, इतनी देर भीड़ कैसा होता है, and I came out, I was crying. I couldn't imagine, and it's like there was some power which just wanted this to happen, and I did it. And now I ask for window seat in an aircraft everywhere. Window seat चाहिए. Has it gone? No, it does come back. Claustrophobia का thought आता है. Sometimes I'm sitting in the flight and then suddenly I'll be like, no, I'll need to get these two people, one person out and tell them, let me step out. And then it's about getting present, getting aware. So now I can just snap out of it.
Very
now I can manage myself. Now I put myself in those situations. Why I'm sharing this? Because you asked me what inspires me. This inspires me about the power that we hold. This is one example. इसी तरह से ऐसी कितनी सारी छोटी बड़ी चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें हम पकड़ के बैठे हैं और हमें लगता है ये नहीं बदल सकती हैं. They could be in our lives, in our habits, in our way of living. We are living with them. But I just want to say, इतनी power है हमारे अंदर, because all my journey, all the journey of people around me that I've been able to be a part of, it's not because anything outside changed. It's only them working on themselves and changing it. So much power, and we are not tapping into it. So much power my subconscious has. The book by Joseph Murphy, Power of Subconscious
Mind.
Mind-blowing. Everybody should read that. So for me, that's hugely inspiring.
ठीक है. And now to the second part.
That was
perspective. I think perspective is all that matters, because conditioning तो बहुत होती रहती है. But in life, then we start reading books, we start listening to podcasts, movies, we travel, and then we start kind of forming our own perspectives. And I truly believe perspectives really give us a lot of clarity, and through clarity is joy. I would say clarity is joy. So perspective जिसने shape किया है आपके life को.
बहुत सारा evolution हुआ
I'm
है,
sure,
Juhi. But what serves me the most today is this very deep belief within me that universe has my back. Okay, what that means is, in any situation that I am, which seems like the worst possible situation, कि मतलब इससे क्या होगा, बाहर कैसे निकलेंगे, ये तो वर्क ही नहीं कर रहा है, वहाँ पर भी this very deep faith that this what is happening right now is exactly what I need to experience right now for me to grow and progress and move towards where I belong.
Correct.
Right? So वो instantly आता है मेरे पास up because I've done it long enough. So that one belief, again, किसे पता क्या सच है नहीं है. What serves you, you keep. What doesn't serve you, you discard. This serves me beautifully, and my thing is, again, what you were also mentioning a while back, we are so insignificant in this whole scheme of things. तो जहाँ इतनी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, मैं कई बार ये देखती हूँ, we get carried away and हम चिक किड़ करते रहते हैं चीज़ों के बारे में. But if you see, they're all inconsequential. So if that deal has not happened, वो client convert नहीं हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ, that's exactly what I need to experience right now. Right? Maybe that was not meant to be. There's something else that's coming in.
Correct.
And this other strong belief, very strong one, which I can almost see, whatever it is that I wish to create out in the world, it's all coming to me. It's all coming. Yes, chal raha hai journey, and I just keep going through it. It helps me go through it very patiently. So this one thing that I'm moving, just keeps me going. So tomorrow this person will be there, may not be there. This will happen, may not happen. I'll be there. No, I don't know. But it's exactly that also helps you be in the present moment.
Correct.
So this one is massively shaping my life today, and helps me just perform better and better, be who I really want to be, come back to being grounded, being at peace again, because चीजें ऐसे बैठी हैं आकर के, we get disturbed, hassled by things. Then I think go back to this, and that's the journey. It's a journey.
So thank you, Astha. You were very spontaneous in doing this. I really enjoyed the conversation, and I think there are very, very key life lessons that you've told all of us. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thoroughly enjoyed, Juhi. It's always amazing to connect with you. Just the flow that is there, So I thoroughly enjoyed, and thank you. I hope this was meaningful for your listeners as well. So thank you so much for having me.